Oh, just the Dangi Temonanola, Singeda, Singed Samalolia, Sandri just the Jermo Jingene. Tatare and the Bristol Dido Nalola, Jige Kasana, Pibigi, Shetangish, yes, that did Zambalangi, Chemeda, Pugunitin, the Shetagale de Yu, and Nige. Oh, that is Shetapsa Kawayume. And the Konso Kanditagi Mengi road she Temosogi, she has a dingy building the Benijo or Jitango, some so. Oh, that the near sure. The Bristol Triangle said that this such a oh, get a chimboard was a punchum was it on the area. Dina Lola, Dangi Nalola, think it and Kitchenella, Doshawa. Also, that the longer the Songada was your then. सबसे मजे में मोटा कितना है जी ओ दिन आलू ले वैसा दिन आ रहे रिसेप्शन देते रहे Things I guess that I don't have access to. Not that I necessarily would have had access to anyway, because I guess you have to be from particular people and particular family traditions and everything that for things.
I'm a nurse, I work in Southern Hospital, and today I'm here with my girls, my daughters. Her name is Tenzin Dechen and she is Tenzin Somo Tunjo. So we are a small Tibetan family living here in Bristol, and we have got quite a, not very large or many, but we have got a small Tibetan community here in Bristol. And every Saturday, in order to preserve our culture, tradition, and language, which is very important, we teach Tibetan language every Saturday at St. Berber's Community Center to our Tibetan children. There are not too many, maybe like 7-8 children, but we feel that learning our culture and our own tradition is very, very important, especially if you know about Tibet. Tibet is currently under Chinese occupation and ongoing human rights and cultural genocide inside our country. So we feel that it's very important, not just for Tibetan, but for the world to save and preserve a very rich culture and heritage. So we are very proud to be here, and I especially want to thank the organizers and also the diverse artist network in Bristol, who are always putting continuous effort to showcase underrepresented or minority communities and cultural background. And we are very happy and proud about it, making sure that Tibetan culture is showcased and heard and seen in this city of Bristol, which is a city of multiculturalism and diversity, for which we are all very proud of. So let's go for it. I don't know whether they are ready or not. love music, everything, harmony, okay? So let's go for it. Please give a big hand to my two daughters. Welcome to you. Okay. So now, those who want to dance with us, please stand up. I'll teach you the steps, okay? And those sitting down, if you want to join, you can stand up, okay? If not, you can enjoy by sitting down as well. So, can you all keep your hands on your waist? Move like this. 1, 2. Okay? You're doing like this. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can look at my girls, yeah, because I need to hold the mic as well. So once more, it's very easy and simple steps, okay? From the beginning, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So you have to be here, alright? After this, we are two. Hold your hands, keep your hands on your waist, okay? Like that. And then move forward in the count of 8, okay? When you move, use your right leg first, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Alright? When you move forward, you need to bend a little bit, okay? Go a little bit down. Once again, little bit again, especially with your hand movements, because I'm moving this way. It may confuse you. Alright. Once again, we are going to do from the turn. The count of 3. After that, right first step. Alright. You want to try now? With the music, okay? So, here we go. We're gonna start. afternoon, Turner. And regarding this song, these dances that we perform are quite popular in Tibetan community, especially during festive occasion like Tibetan New Year or any other festivals. What we do is we are quite popular in doing a circle dance. So
weaving in the back, there's flag making in the back, but there's the museum, this wonderful building itself to enjoy. So see you back in the exercise. Thank you very much.
Actually, get in there. You should, no.
Relatives doing
ऐसा फिंगर पॉइंट कर अपनी दादा
근데 그 사람 내려샤 수셔이다.
Daisy.
Oh my god! Look, yeah. Where is it? I'm so close!
Daisy.
they can start anything.
셰타서 쏴봐봐. 아, 따라샤.